Knowledge management infrastructure or architecture. Introduction. The very scope of collecting or capturing is to facilitate knowledge. Using knowledge sharing involves people, technology, and content, and for this knowledge sharing, knowledge management infrastructure is a uh, purposes. This is a fully functional technical infrastructure under the knowledge management infrastructure. Team create awareness about the knowledge management critically of knowledge sharing amongst all employees. These components are inseparable and interdependent. People with knowledge provide content. The knowledge developers strongly believe in the technology to transfer and share such knowledge. This combination provides the efficiency and performance to managing the knowledge core of the organization. Knowledge management architecture. The knowledge management infrastructure constitute people, content, and technology. The knowledge management infrastructure expertise knowledge sharing by designing it is in such a way that is assign proper authority and responsibility to people towards specific kinds of knowledge content. In this context, people means knowledge workers, managers, customers, and suppliers. The first exercise of knowledge architecture is to gather resource for creating employees profile. With this view in hand, the knowledge developer evaluate the existing information that people use, reevaluate the application they require, adapt. They also evaluate the clear of the people. Knowledge developers usually contact for solution. Their official emails and the database they usually accesses. The employees profile so create forms the basis for designing a knowledge management system. The basic idea behind assessing the people is to fix the right person for the right job, to ensure the information flow is canalized to the right person at the right time. The next stage in the knowledge management infrastructure is to identify the location of required knowledge. To find out where the required knowledge resides and how to tap that knowledge successfully. This action, known as identifying the knowledge center, means areas when knowledge available for knowledge capture. This center support experts or expert teams in collaborating the necessary knowledge capture procedures, and these steps break down each knowledge center into some more manageable levels, satellite or areas, and one manager assigned for each knowledge satellite that will ensure integrity of information. Content accesses and update ownership is a crucial factor in case of knowledge capture, knowledge transfer, and knowledge implementation. The second critical components of knowledge management. Infrastructure is technology. The objective of this technical core is to enhance communication as well as ensure effective knowledge sharing. Technology provides opportunities for managing tacit knowledge in the area of communication. Communication networks creates link between necessary database. Here the team technical core is meant to refers to the totality of the required hardware, software and the specialized human resource. Expected attributes of technology under the technical core are accuracy, speed, reliability, security and integrity. Since the organization can be thought of as knowledge network, the goals of knowledge economy is to push employee towards greater efficiency, productivity by making best possible use of the knowledge they possess. A knowledge core usually becomes a network of knowledge designed to work on top of the organization existing net. The core lies in the knowledge management architecture or user interface layer, authority access layer, collaborative intelligence and filtering layer, knowledge enabling application layer, value added layer, transport layer, middleware layer, repositories layer. A web browser acts as the interface between the user and the knowledge management system. It is the top layer in the knowledge management system architecture. The way the text, graphics, tables, etc. displayed on the screen tends to simplify the technology for use. The user interface layer provides a way for the proper flow of tacit and explicit knowledge. The necessary knowledge transfer between people and technology involves capturing tacit knowledge from experts, storing it in knowledge of base and making it available to people for solving complex problem. User interface design has the following feature: consistency, relevancy, visual clarity, usability, ease of navigation. The authority assesses layer maintenance, security as well as clarity. Authority access to the knowledge captured and stored in organization repositories. The knowledge developer usually capacity of knowledge by using intranet and intranet of extranet. An organization intranet represent the internal network of communication system. Extranet is a type of intranet with the extension allowing specified proper customers, suppliers, etc. to access some organizational information. The assessee layer is mostly focused on security. use of promoters like passwords, and software tools like firewalls, firewalls protect against emails that can cause problem, unauthorized access from the outside world, undesirable material, movies, images, music, etc. Unauthorized sensitive information leaving the organization. Firewalls does not protect against attracts not going through the firewall, virtues on floppy disk, weak security policies. The collaborative intelligence and filtering layer helps in providing customized views based on stored knowledge. Authorized user filled information through a search mechanism tailored to their needs. Intelligent against active objects that pursue reason and act in a situation to help problem solving are extremely useful in some situations. In case of client server computing, there happens to be frequent and direct interaction between the client and the server. In case of mobile against, a mobile agent roams around the internet, act as multiple servers looking for the correct information. This layer provides certain benefits in the areas of fault tolerance, reduced overall network load, and heterogeneous operations. The main components of this type of the registration directory that develops tailored information based on user profile. Membership is in specific service such as sales, promotion, news, service, etc. The church facility such as a search engine. The criteria like security, profitability, flexibility, scalability, user friendly, and integration are some of the important prerequisites to this type of layer. The knowledge enabling applicant layer, also known as value added layer, help in generating competitive advantage. This application layer helps the user for performance their job in a better way. This layer employee knowledge base, discussion database, decision support, and the like in its implementation. The next critical layer of the knowledge architecture is the transport layer. This is the most technical layer that ensures the organization towards establishing a network of relationship. This layer only facilitates electronic transfer of knowledge. This layer for its omission employs local area networks LAN, wide area network WAN, intrastant, extant, and internet. This layer also involves multimedia URL, uniform resource locator, connectivity, speed, bandwidth, such tools, and other tools of managing network traffic. This the other significant layer in the knowledge management architecture is the middleware layer. This layer in the architecture is capable of connecting old and new data formats, and for this purpose involved in it a variety of programs. Repository layer is the bottom-most layer of the knowledge management architecture. This represents the physical layer installing in the repositories. This layer includes legacy application, intelligent database, warehouses, operational databases, and the like. This layer links all the repositories in it to form an integrated repository. An integrated response facilities in bringing together all the knowledge available from the individual repositories and help the use of respective technical required knowledge without bothering in which repository the knowledge resides. Repository meaning. The dictionary meanings of repository: a place where reasonable in which thing or may be stored. Example: deep repository for nuclear waste. A place where something, especially a natural resource, is found in significant quantities. Example: accessible repositories of water. A person or thing regarded as a store of information or in which a particular quality may be found. Example is mind was a rich repository of the past. In the context of knowledge management literature, repository means a place or person regarded as a store of information for future retrieval towards knowledge capturing purpose. Therefore, repository is a storing place, depository, or storehouse. Repository concept: a knowledge repository is a computerized system that systematically and continuously capture, organizes, categories, and analyzes the knowledge assets of an organization. The repository searches data and quickly retrieves. It is a collaborative system where people quarterly and browse both structured and unstructured information in order to retrieve and pursue organization knowledge. The knowledge assets and order to facilitate collaborative working. The scope of repository system is storing unstructured form of knowledge still explicit in nature, such as local rules and procedures that are unwritten. Knowledge repository system aims to retrieve data in a context sensitive way, subtraining the simple keywords based retrieval. An important issue for organization is the way of sharing the core knowledge with the rest of the members of the knowledge committee. This situation involves knowledge operating as a single point of entry to between user and core knowledge, help people to find relevant information from many different organizational sources. A repository codifies explicit knowledge in a local manner, direct the user in enabling source, including people, organization, or groups, website policies, and other avenues to guide and information knowledge seekers. The repository also acts as the vehicle for contribution new knowledge and for requesting personalized services that keep user updated on repository additions. This a highly effective knowledge repository serve as a single point of contact for all knowledge need. Knowledge repository content. Organizational knowledge has four layers for sharing the repository. They are factual, conceptual, procedural, metacognitive. Factual layer is for sharing terminology, specific details and elements, while the conceptual layer for sharing theories, models, principles, and generalizations. The procedural layer for sharing skill, algorithm, techniques, and methods, and the metacognitive layer for sharing knowledge about learning, thinking, and problem solving. A repositories present different from form of knowledge in a number of ways and facilitates easy and effective access for a variety of user needs, such as content, topic, projects, or reports, methodologies, and research approaches, templates, and data presentation. A long time development for building historical perspective. This a repository support the different needs of the user, and therefore repository face a major challenges of anticipating the needs of the user. Each reposition hold different content, different features, and present in a different way to support a specific knowledge community. Repository reflects the expectation and the priorities, knowledge activities, and core business priorities of its various users and as its features. A digital repository in a mechanism for managing and storing digital content. Repositories are subjective or institutional in their focus. Putting content into an institutional repository enables staff and institutions to manage and pursue it, and therefore drive maximum value from it. A repository can support research, learning, and administrative process. Repositories use open standards to ensure that their content is accessible for searching and retrieving for later use. The use of this agreed international standards allow mechanism to be set up which import, export, identify, stores and restrictive and digital content within the repositories. Digital repositories may include a wide range of content for a variety of persons and users. What goes into a repository is currently less an issues of technical or software ability and more a policy decisions. Issues of technology made by each institution and administrator. Typically, content includes research output such as journal articles or research data, e-thesis, e-learning object and teaching materials and administrative data. Some repositories only take in particular items such as this or journal papers, whilst others seek to gather any creditable scholarly work produced by the institution, limited only by each author retained rights from publisher. However, some more complex object website, advanced learning objects, 3D topographical representation and other data sets do present a technical challenge. Knowledge repository features. Knowledge repositories offer a range of options for user to explore, with the main menu offering access to identify knowledge source in the organization and behind the repository as the following feature: links to organizational and external sources. Such service to help user find required objects or sources. Reference materials and services. Discussion topics. Frequently asked questions, case studies, real life examples, a site where solution may be shared, a help services to support user who are unfamiliar with the system, a contribution channel to allow easily linkage of new materials, a direct link to keywords which may help find sources, an explanation of systems scope and usage, information on the main knowledge support officers. A repository does not include all these features. The repository design reflects the user needs and the knowledge that is more critical to core business. An effective repository ensures the user to draw their most important knowledge activities from an appropriate array of options. A repository cannot be shell in all things to all workers. The selective of the content management system, it is strength. It always calls for meticulous approach to develop repositories.